In this video, I'm going to explain you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. So, the first step is to go to your Instagram profile and then go and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now, after that, you just have to scroll down and then tap on hide story and live. Now, from here, tap on the first option, and here you're gonna have to hide your story from all your followers. After that, tap on done. Now simply go back to your profile and then you just have to tap to add a story. So I'm going to add this one here. So let me choose my photo, then simply tap on your story. And now simply wait until this uploads. Now what we're gonna have to do next is simply tap on highlight at the bottom, choose our highlights here, and then simply close this. Now as you can see, we have our photo here. Then simply go back to your story and then tap on more, and from here tap on archive. And basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.